how to turn off Talkback on Android phone. So you have accidentally turned on Talkback. Here's how you can switch it off. So tap on the home button once.
Home.
Then double tap. This will take you back to the home screen. Now at the top here, swipe down with 2 fingers to open up the menu.
Click Settings.
Off.
Then tap on the settings icon.
Settings.
Now double tap
Button.
to go into it.
Tap to activate.
Using
Double
2
tap
fingers,
and hold to long press.
we swipe up like this.
Sounds. Note. Wall. Device care.
Tap on accessibility.
Accessibility.
Then double tap.
Accessibility.
Then tap on Talkback.
Talkback.
Double tap.
Talkback.
Tap on the toggle button.
Talkback.
Then double tap.
On. Talkback.
Tap on Turn Off.
Turn off.
Then double tap.
Talkback off.
Okay, so now it is off. Thank you for watching this video.